0. Then we put 2 zeros
Yes,
at last.
sir.
If the remainder is 1, we put 5 0 at last.
Yes, correct. So here also we'll make this. We had made it 10. We can make this number as 100, our base number. Okay, 10 powers. So instead of multiplying by 50, we'll just divide by 2. Based on the remainder, we'll put the last two digits. Last two digits. So if the remainder is 0, we'll put the last two digits as 0 0. If the remainder is 1, we'll put the last two digits as 5 0.
50.
Next, any number instead of multiplying by 25 will do
100 by 4 divided
nothing
by
but
4.
we'll
Divide by
divide the
20.
given number
I mean,
by 4.
4.
Yeah, we'll
4,
divide the
yes,
given
sir.
number by 4. And here we have to place the last two digits or one digit.
Last two digit.
2
Two
digits.
digits. So
will be there.
because we have made 25 as 100, right? That's why 100 consists of two zeros. That's why we'll think of last two.
Because
the
100
two
divided by
digits.
4 is equal to 25.
Yes. So last two digits will be based on the
Wha-
remainder.
ze-
Tell the last two
0,
digits.
0,
If
0,
the remainder is 0,
25,
0, 0.
50,
One it is
75,
Remainder is 1, 25. Remainder 2,
50,
And
50.
75.
Remainder 3,
75.
75. There will be no
multiples of
reminders
25.
more than 3. More than 3, there
Yes,
will be no
sir.
reminders. So just we have completed these 3, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Now today we'll see multiplication by 125 also. So 125 above base number
1000
is,
by 8.
yes, correct. We can make it 1000 by multiplying with the number.
By dividing by 8.
125 double is 250.
Divided
250 double
by
is
8.
500. Means
Eight
overall it is
plus-
8 times, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Dividing by
Yes, sir.
8.
Divide by
Yeah.
8, sir.
So instead of multiplying by 125, we need to divide the given number by 8. When any number is divided by 8, what are the remainder possibilities?
Sir, put 3 zeros.
Seven,
If
1,
this
2,
number
Yeah,
0,
we
1,
have
2,
to place
4,
here
5,
last 3
7.
digits.
1 to
We need to think
0
of-
to 7.
Yes, 0
Zero
to
to
7
seven.
are the
Digits,
remainder
sir.
possibilities. If
Zero,
if
one.
0 is the remainder, we'll put the last 3 digits as
0,
0, 0, 0.
0 0.
1 will put
If it is
125.
125. 2,
125. 250.
250.
250. 3,
500.
Sir, we can use the
350,
multiples of
375.
125.
So
Oh, yes, sir.
that
375.
remainder into 125, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
4 means 500.
500. Yes, sir. 5 means
620.
625.
Yeah. So 6. If 6 is the remainder,
820. 720.
No, 7.
750.
7. Okay.
750 plus
Yes, sir.
125 for this number plus 125. So
Yes,
if it is the remainder 7, it will be 870.
875.
These are the
875.
remainder. Yeah. So here we don't need to remember this list of reminders. Sorry, a list of 3 digits, last 3 digits. Simply we can tell the point as
Multiples
whatever may be
of
the remainder, we have to
125.
multiply it by 125. Okay. Let us do this exercise. Just do some help for me in dividing the given number by 8. Okay. Yeah. 4 times it is 25. Remainder. Sorry. 4 times it is 24. Remainder. 1.
One.
So it will be
1.
16.
16 by
Yes,
3
equals
means 2
2.
times it is 16. And
8 by
8.
8, 1.
8 means 1 time it is 8. So there is no
3
remainder.
zeros.
Means 0 is the remainder. We have to place the last 3 digits as 0 0.
3 zeros. Yes,
That's all.
sir.
That's
Sir,
the
it's
answer.
321, sir, right?
Sorry. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Sorry. Yeah, 321 000. Because there is no remainder, that's why 3 zeros. Yeah. Just tell division by 8. Yeah,
9
8 one
by
time it is
8.
8, now 17. 17 means
2.
2
Sir, we
times
gave the
16,
names.
15.
15.
One time.
There is no big exercise for this. That's why.
One time.
Yeah. 15. 15 means one time it is 8. Remainder 7. 76 now. 76 means 9 times it is
72,
72.
9.
Remainder
Yes,
4.
sir. 9 8 is 72.
Yeah.
40.
72. Remainder
48.
4. 48.
48.
48
6
means
times.
6 times it is exactly
Yes,
48.
sir.
Yes,
And if
sir.
you
The
place
remainder
0
is
here,
3.
then 3 will
The
be the remainder.
remainder is 3.
3, sir.
Yeah. Remainder is 3 only when if you
Sir,
place 0 here.
375.
Yes, sir.
If 3 is the
75.
remainder, 375. Right?
Sir, we have to put the 0 because 3 is not divisible, right?
Yes, correct. So if you place 0 only, then 3 will be the remainder. Otherwise, division is not completed. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Then we'll do this.
Yes, sir.
Shahu,
Sir, 8
will you do
ones are
this?
8. Yes, sir, sure.
Okay, tell me. Yeah, tell me.
8 ones are
8 ones are
8.
8.
Then 5 we will take 0.
Yeah, correct. Then
Then
it will be
50.
52.
Yes, sir, 52. It will be 7. No, sir, 6. 6.
6 times it is 48.
4,
Remainder 4.
Will be remainder 43.
Yes.
Sir will take 5.
Yes.
Remainder will be 3.
3.
36 we
36.
will take 4. 32. Remainder will
Okay.
be 4.
4, 44.
Yes, sir. 4. Sir?
4 means 44 total.
Yes, sir. 44. Sir, then we will take again 5.
5
Remainder
times it is
will be
40.
4. 41.
4 means 41.
Yes, sir. 41 then again 5. Remainder will be
Okay.
1. 12 means 1. 8 ones are.
Okay.
And remainder will be again 4. And 45 means
Yes.
sir 5s are.
5 times
And
it is 40. Remainder
5.
5. If 5 is the remainder, last 3 digits
Sir
will
will
be.
put 0 and then last 3 digits.
625.
No need to put 0. 5 is the remainder. That's all. Because it is
Last digit.
already 20. Yeah,
Last
45,
digit
right?
will be 625.
625.
6 to 5 are the last 3 digits. That's all. This is
Sir,
the
why 5?
this is the Shahu, see, at the end you remain with the 4 and then it will be 5, 45. So after taking 5, after taking this 5, so 8 5s are 40, remainder is 5. No need to place any 0 here.
Sir, then in 3's case we put a 0.
No, no. In which case you need to put 0 means if with the 2, if division is over completely, in 5 it will not go. 8 will not go. That's why we'll place 0 and we'll take 5 as the remainder. Because it is not over here. So there is a remainder like a 4 and adjacent number
Sir,
5.
then
45.
when we when the remainder was 3 in the last sum, we took 0.
When we need to put 0, that is your question.
Sir, means in the last time there was 3 was the remainder. That time we put a 0.
Yeah, I'll tell that point. See, with this 8, division is over. 8 one time it is 8. With this 8, division is over. Oh, sorry. So up to this point, 6 is division is over. So in 3, it will not go. 8 will not go. That's why we have taken 1 0. Then 3 will be the remainder.
Sir, then
Okay.
but here we took 5. Why not 0?
So that is not 5. That is 45. Now it is 45 in this case. There it is only 3, not 83 or 23 or 33, any number.
No, sir, it is 5 only there.
Where? Here? No. See, again we need to repeat. Okay, see, 8, 5, 2, 3, 6, 4, 1, 2, 5. I'm dividing this number by 8. See, 8 one time it is 8. So 5 means we need to take 0. This is the reason to take 0, because in 5 it will not go. That's why I'm taking 0. Then we can consider 2 also. 52, right? So in 52, 6 times it is 48. Remainder 4, 43. 43 means 5 times it is 40, remainder 3, 36. 36 means 4 times it is 32, remainder 4, 44. 5 times it is 40, again remainder 4, 41 now. So in 41, 5 times it is 40, remainder 1. So 1 and again 2, it will be 12. So 3 times, after 41?
No, sir, only
Okay,
one
okay.
time.
Yes. Only 1 is the remainder and adjacent number 2, it is 3. Okay. We are dividing by 8, right? In 12, it will go 1 time, right?
Yes,
Now,
sir, and the
Yes,
remainder
sir.
will be 4.
Finally, remaining with the 4, right? for adjacent number 5. Now it is 45, not single 5. Yes
Sir,
or
so
no?
here we took 5, means 5s are, it will be 40.
Yeah,
And
8
then the
5s are
remainder will be
40.
5.
8 5s are 40. Now 5 is the remainder finally. That is what I'm telling.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So with this 5, we'll multiply this number to get the last 3 digits. 625. Okay.
Okay, sir. Now I understood.
Okay. Now what about 250 multiplication?
1000 by 4.
Yes, correct. So nothing but we can deal this question like 25 multiplication only, and at the end we can place 1 0, right? Same.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
any number instead of multiplying by 250, we can divide the given number by 4, and based on the remainder, we'll put the last 3 digits because it is 250, not 25. So we'll place last
Sir, and
3
with
digits.
500 also we can do the same. We can multiply
Yeah,
by 5 and
500
put
also
two.
we can do the same. Means we have to divide the given number by 2, and we need to put last 3 digits. Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir, because it is
sir.
500.
Yes.
Yeah, because it is 500 and we may make it 1000. 1000 consists of 3 zeros. That's why 3 digits. Okay, we'll do one this question and we'll move on to another
Sir,
type.
check the chat box.
What is there in that?
Like any
What is
question.
that? What is this race?
Sir, no, sir. I asked in the before one, sir, if there is any question, then like the D one or itself. If there is, then you can give me.
Will you do this?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
carry
sir.
on. Proceed.
Okay, sir. So first one is 9 and 4 2s are 8.
Okay,
Remainder is 1.
now it is 15.
Yes, sir. 15. So 4.
3 sir. For 3 times is how much?
Sir, yes, sir. Just a minute, sir. I
4
got
3 is
it as
12, right?
Yes, sir. For 3 is 12. So it will be
12 means
3.
3 will be the remainder.
Yes, sir. 3 will be the remainder, and then 37 is there.
Yes.
Then
In 37, how many times it will go?
7s are 28.
Okay. 8 times?
Sir, did you write?
No, not 7 times. 9 times it will go. 37 it is. 4 9s are 36, right? Okay, is it 37 or not?
Sir, just a minute, sir. I'll once read in my notebook and then I'll come to you, sir. Please leave this question once, sir.
Okay, carry on. Yeah. Shreyasi will do this. Meanwhile, we'll do this.
Sir, can I do the sum?
Okay, Jaswita, carry on.
9 divided by 4. So 2. 1
2
will
times.
be
Okay.
remainder. Again 4. 4.
Yeah, 4 times it is 16.
5 1.
1 time. Okay.
1 will
1
be
is the remainder.
remainder. 18 by 4. 4. 2 will be remainder. 22.
Mhm.
5. 2 will
Okay.
be remainder. 24. 6.
Okay.
3 0.
Yeah, because we cannot divide 3. That's why I'm taking 1 0 here. Now we can take 36.
36.
Shahu,
36
okay.
by 4 is 9.
Yeah,
Yes,
36
sir.
9 times it is 4. What is the remainder here?
0.
Finally,
0.
if 0 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be
3
0
zeros.
0 0.
3 zeros. That's all. This is the answer.
Sir, can you show once again
Please.
the first one, sir?
Okay.
Yes, sir. 9 5 7 1 2 3 5 5 9.
Okay. Yeah. Who will
Sir,
do
can
this?
I?
Likita. Who?
Sir, Pallav, sir.
Pallav, carry on.
Sir, as it is 500, we have to divide it by 2.
Okay.
2 ones are 2.
Okay.
2 ones are 2, 1 remaining.
Okay.
15 as it is 15, so 7.
7 times 14.
Yes, sir. Then 8, sir. So 18, 9,
Yeah, 18.
9. And
9.
then 3, sir. Then 3.
3 times of.
1 remaining 19.
Okay.
So 19, so 9, sir. 18, 1 remaining.
Okay, again 1 remainder. 14.
14 means 7, sir.
Okay.
Then 2 to the 4, 1 remaining.
Finally, 1 is the remainder. So if 1
So
is the
1
remainder,
into-
last 3 digits will be
1, 1, 5, 5, 5, sir.
no. This remainder into this number multiplication factor
500, sir.
500. That's all. 0 is the remainder, 3 zeros. 1 is
Yes,
the remainder,
sir.
500. Okay. Shreyas, you ready?
Sir, if the remainder is 2, then 3 zeros, no again.
Then how can you get the how can you get 2 as the remainder? Because here we are dividing it by 2, right? If 2
Oh,
is the
yes,
remainder, we'll
sir.
make it 0 again.
Yes, sir. Okay.
Yes. So only 2 remainders are possible if you divide any number by 2. 0 and 1 are the remainder possibilities. 0 is the remainder, we'll place 3 zeros, and 1 is the remainder, we'll place 500. Means actually when it is division by 5, sorry, multiplication by 5, we'll divide it by 2, right? Yes or no? Remainder 0 will place 1 0. Remainder 1 will place 1 5. So because we have made it 10, that's why last digits will be 0 and 5. Because here we made it 1000, that's why either 3 zeros or 500. Okay. Shreyasi, ready? Why don't you turn on your videos, all of you?
Yes, sir. I did it completely the question, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yeah, Shreyasi, explain.
Should I explain or should I directly tell the answer?
No. You need to explain compulsory.
Okay, sir. So, sir, first we did was 4 2s are 8 with 1
Okay.
remainder, and then as there was 1 remainder,
15.
so it will be 4 2. I mean,
15.
yes,
3
so
times.
15 is there. 4 3s are 12, 12, and then 3 is left over 37. 37,
Yes.
so 4 9s are
Yes, correct.
36.
Yeah,
4 9s
remainder.
are 36, and then the remainder is 1, and then 11 is left there. So 4
Yes.
2s are 8.
Okay.
4 2s are 8, and then
3 is the remainder.
3
Now
is left
32.
over 32, 32, 4, 6 are 32.
No, 8 times.
Yes,
8
sir.
times it is 32.
Sir, I don't know, sir, why am I getting 6 table in my mind again and again?
Okay. 4 8s are
4 8
32.
and 32.
That's all.
Yes, sir. 0 is
Yeah.
remainder. And then we directly go with 35 because 3 is lesser than
If only
4.
if you place 0 here, then you can take 35.
Okay.
Okay, because in
This
3
was
it
the
will not
doubt,
go.
sir, in that question with Sahu's
Yeah.
question, sir.
Because it will not go in 3, we'll place 1 0. After placing here 0, we can take another digit also. 35 now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now
Now 35 we got. Now 4 8s are 32
32.
with 3 remainder.
Again 35.
Yes, sir. Again 35, then 4 8s are 32
Again
with
3
3
remainder.
remainder.
39.
And then now we got 39. 4 9s are 36
Okay.
with 3
Again 3
remainder.
remainder.
And then 38 we got. 4 9s are 36.
Yes, correct. Again 3 remainder.
3 remainder. And then we got 32, which is 4 8s are 32.
Is it 3 remainder? 36, right? 2 remainder. Finally, is so here. Because it is 38,
So it's
4
20.
9s are 36, so 2 is the remainder. So finally it is 22.
Yes, sir.
So in 22, how many times?
4 5s are 20.
4 5s are 20. Final remainder
2
is,
remainder.
if 2 is the remainder, last 3 digits will be
So then the last
that 2 into 250. Yes or no? That remainder
sir.
into 250. So it will be 500.
500.
500, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I don't know, sir, why my mind was already only going to 6 tables, sir. Like I'm as if I'm dividing it with 6.
No. There will be no 6 because 125, when you multiply with 8 only, it will become 1000. There is
Because
no
today
6
in
pack.
school, sir, I did a lot of division and all with 6 and 7 and all.
Okay, now it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then we'll go to an interesting multiplication. See, multiplication by 11.
Multiplication by 11.
Yeah, it is an interesting one. See, any number, I'm taking any number, some 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into 11. All of you see this carefully. It is very interesting and easy. So take the first digit as it is 1. Later, 1 plus 2 is how much?
3.
3. 2 plus 3 is
5.
5. 3 plus 4 is
7.
7. 4 plus 5
9.
is, and again last digit as it is. That's all. Over. Multiplication.
Okay, sir.
Easy?
Easy.
Sir, I
Yeah, take
mistakenly
the-
left the class. Sir, can you again tell, sir?
Yeah, I'm telling again. Listen. Take the first and last digit as it is. Take the first and last digits as it is. 1 and 5 as it is. And all the remaining digits we obtain it by adding every 2 consecutive terms. So first 1 as it is. Later 1 plus 2 is 3. Then 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. And then 5 as it is again. Okay. Suppose if it is
Yes,
32 into 5, then what is the, sorry, 32 into 11. Now tell the result.
352. 352.
That's all. That's all.
352.
First digit 3, last digit 2, and in the middle we'll get
5.
that
Count the two
digit
numbers.
by adding those.
Add.
Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5. 352 is the answer. Very simple, very easy, right?
Sir,
Yes,
can
sir.
you tell again?
Sorry?
Can you tell it again, sir?
Yeah, I'm telling again. See, all of you, listen carefully. I'm taking any number like 3, 2, 4, 1, 5 into 11. Okay. All of you, listen carefully. Take 3 as it is. Now the next digit is 3 plus 2, 5. Next digit is 2 plus 4, 6.
6.
Next digit is 4 plus 1, 5.
5.
Next
6.
digit is 1 plus 5, 6. And the last digit is again 5. That's all, multiplication is over. All of you
Yes,
clear?
sir. It's easy, sir. Like as some trick.
Yeah. We'll do one exercise.
Sir, what
and
if
later
there
we'll
is
tell
line?
one. Yeah.
Sir, what
I'll
if
tell
there
that
is line?
point. I got your doubt. Okay. What if it is a double digit number, right? If the sum is double digit, digit, what to do?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, after doing one exercise, we'll tell that point. I'll tell that point. Okay. Yeah, you can give your names. Only 4 questions. 4 members has to respond. Yeah, 4 members are over. Then you can stop. Vedika, question number is not given. Yeah, from where I need to start? It is from B. Ritvik. This is for Ritvik. This is for
Sir, can
Shreyasi.
I get extra question because I did not get any?
Yeah, we have another exercises.
Okay, sir.
Just be ready with your response. That's all. C, B, only A Joya. That's all. Yeah. Yes. I think all the questions answers are ready. All of you. Ready?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Already, sir.
We'll start with Joya. Joya, explain.
Yes, sir. We'll write 2 and 3 as it is. We'll leave a space between them.
Okay.
And we'll add a 3 plus 2, which will be 5. We'll write it in the
2
middle.
plus 3 is 5. That's all. Finally, answer is
253.
253. Correct. Ritvik.
Sir, we will write 6 and 1 as it is, leaving space in between.
Okay, okay.
And 6 plus
Now
1
these
will
are
be 7.
just wait. Now these are only 2-digit numbers. You can say the 6 and 1 as it is, then middle digit. Okay. If it is a 6-digit number or 7-digit number, then it is better to proceed from left to right. Okay, we'll write the last digit at the end only. No need to bother about this last digit in the beginning only. Okay. Start from left. Just write by adding digit by digit. Okay.
Sir, 6
Yes, sir,
plus
like-
1 would be 7, so 672 would be answer.
Correct. So first digit is 6. Next digit is 6 plus 1, 7. And last digit is, sorry, how much you told?
1,
670?
sir.
Yeah,
1, sir. 1.
Sir, actually, I heard him tell 672.
Yes, yes. Now me also. I think Ritvik also told the same point.
No,
672.
sir. 1 only I said.
One only. Okay, okay. Shahu, ready?
Yes, sir. Sir, first digit 4,
Yeah.
4 plus 4, 8, and
Okay.
last digit 4.
Okay. That's all. Simple. Shreyasi. Your
Yes,
question
sir.
is much simple. You don't need to do in this way also. 11
Yes,
fives
sir,
are-
because it's like 5 and the 5. And
No,
then
no, no. No need to do that also. 11 fives are 11
55.
5 times. 55.
11 fives
Now
are
place a
55
zero.
and then
That's
0.
all.
Yes, sir.
And even if
In
you-
that way, sir. In that
Even
way,
if
sir, it
you
will
do
be like
that,
5.
in that procedure also, see, take the 5 as it is. Next to 5 plus 0,
5 plus 0, 5
5. Last digit
and 0.
0. To get the same result. Yeah. So you can give the names for next
Yeah.
exercise. There are 6 questions. 6 questions.
Sir, like this one also I learned in my old tuition, sir.
Who is speaking?
Sir, I'm Siddharth, sir.
Siddharth, what happened to your voice? Your
Sir,
mic?
that is a microphone issue, I think.
Tell me, Siddharth, what is your problem? Do you
Sir,
have any
this
problem?
11 technique I learned it in the old tuition also, sir.
Okay, 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 okay.
Sir, may I read the names?
From where?
Sir, from Harshita C.
529. It is 529. Yeah, Harshita C. From there, you can read.
Okay, sir. Harshita C.
Okay,
F. Jeshmita.
okay.
B. Vedika.
B. Vedika, okay.
E. Ritvik.
E. Ritvik, okay.
D. Shahu means me.
Okay.
C. Zoya.
C is already over. Only A is remaining. Just tell A.
Okay, sir. A is Navya.
Navya. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. What if double digit is there? We don't.
Carry over.
Yeah, we didn't tell that pointer. Just see. Just see. If it is 39285 into 11, if it is the case, so
Sir,
take 3 as it is 3.
Four.
Just listen to me. Just listen to me first. So take 3 as it is first digit. Later, 3 plus 9 is how much?
12.
12.
12 means we need only one digit
3
here.
plus 1.
Means we have to write 12 in this way. Take 1 carry and 2. Write 2 as it is. Okay. Next, 9 plus 2.
11.
11.
11.
So
So
1
3.
here, 1 here. Next, 2 plus 8.
10.
10.
Here, 0 here. Next, 8 plus 5.
13.
13.
13 means
Four.
1 here, 3 here. And last digit again 5. Don't forget to write last and
4,
first.
3, 2,
Sir,
1.
Now here we can
Five.
do
Sir,
this addition from left to right. So
sir,
all are natural
4,
additions.
3, 2, 1, 3, 5.
sir,
Yeah,
but
4, 3,
it also
2,
have to
1.
say no, sir.
What's it that?
Sir, like
shouldn't we write 3 on the front also?
So which front? We have taken front only, but one we need to add to 3 because there is a carry in the next place.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Right. All of you clear with this? If what if we get carry with
Yes, sir, clear.
some of the digits? Yeah.
Sir,
So
but
if it is
please
12,
give
write
much
one
longer.
before one down and 2 as it is.
Sir, please give long ones. These are very short ones in the exercise.
Yes, yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we'll do long ones also. We'll do long ones also.
Okay, sir.
Ready with your solutions?
Yes, sir, ready.
Yeah. Navya, start with your
Yeah.
solution.
So, sir, so first we write 6,
Okay.
and then
6 plus 8?
it's 14, sir.
1 here.
14.
4 here.
Yeah, 1 here, and then we write 8.
Okay. Then answer is
748.
740. That's all. Very good.
Yeah.
Advika.
Sir, I'm Vedika.
Now you are Vedika. In the last class, you told Advika.
Sir, he would be joining for 6th grade.
Okay, okay. You both are connected with the same mobile, but you are in 8th class. Vedika, your sister is in 6th. Advika.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. Right.
So can you
I'll remember.
hear me?
Yeah. Who is speaking?
Sir, I'm Satvik, sir. Actually, I joined a little late. I had some problem.
Okay, okay. Got understood this method?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Carry on. Proceed.
Hello, sir.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Akash, tell me. Akash, what happened?
Sir, your voice
Sir, I
is breaking
think
for me,
she's
sir.
Yeah, Akash is speaking, but we are unable to listen.
network
No,
issue.
sir, he's speaking.
Sir, he's saying that our all voice is breaking for him.
Yes, yes. Akash. If you have any doubt, you can write it in the chat. Akash. If you are comfortable, just listen to the class. No need to respond. If you have any problem at mic, mic problem. Okay. Vedika, ready?
Yes, sir. So the first digit is 7, and then 7 plus 9 is 16, and then the last digit is 9. So overall, our answer is 7,869.
Yeah, 869. Correct. Yeah, Harshita.
Yes, sir.
We'll
write first digit as 4 only and 4.
No, Harshita.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I'm able to hear, but your voice is very low.
Sir, now can you hear me?
Okay, tell me. Tell the solution.
Yes, sir. First digit we'll write as 4 only.
Okay.
And 4 plus 7 is equals to 11. And the last digit we'll write as 7 only. So 4 plus 1 is equals to 5.
Okay.
517.
Right, very good. Correct. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, we will write 8 in the starting, and 8 plus 6, it is 14. So we will write 1 in carry and write 4 in between. Then the last digit as 6. It will be 946.
946, correct.
Sir,
Ritvik.
excuse me, sir.
Hello. Tell me.
Sir, is there any technique to multiply 3-digit number into 11?
Sir,
3
same
digit into 11.
we have to use.
Yes.
Yeah, not only for 3 digit, any number of digits we can do this. See this example.
Once again, can you explain, sir? Sir, can you say again? This technique, sir, can you say again?
Your voice is not clear.
Sir, he's telling
Sir,
that,
he's
can you
saying to
explain
repeat
this
again.
again?
Yeah, okay. I'll explain again. Okay, Pallav. I'll explain again. I'll take another example after this these two questions. Okay.
Okay,
Sir,
sir.
can I proceed?
Proceed.
Sir, we need to write 5 as it is at the
Okay.
first. Then 5 plus 5 would be 10, so we need to carry 1.
Okay.
Then we need to add 0. Next, we need to write the last digit as it is 5. So answer would
Right.
be 605.
Very good. That's all. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 9. First 9 we'll write as it is.
Okay.
9 plus 3 is 12. So we'll put 1 as carry and 2.
Okay.
Last number also we need to write as it is.
Okay.
Now 9 plus 1 equals to 10.
Okay.
2 and then 3.
Very good. Correct. That's all. Right. Pallav, see, I'm taking another example. 4, 9, 3, 7, 5, 2 into 11. Pallav, ready?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you just tell me. First, we have to write. Pallav.
Sir, 4 as it is.
4 as it is. Okay. Later, 4 plus 9.
Sir, it is 13, so 3. We
13
have
means
to.
we have to write 1 here, 3 here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then cancel 1. 9 plus 3.
Sir, 12. So 1 carry and 2.
2. Okay. Cancel 9. Then 3 plus 7.
10, sir, so 0 and 1 borrow.
Okay, right. Carry. There is no borrow because there are
Yes,
no
carry.
subtraction. Okay. Now left 3. Leave 3. Then 7 plus 5.
7 plus 5 gives 12. So carry 1 and
Means 1
2.
here, 2 here. Okay. Then leave 7. Then 5 plus 2.
7 itself. So no carry.
7 means?
No
Yeah,
carry.
no
sir,
carry.
0.
7 as it is. And last 2 as it is.
2.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So then balance it. Balancing means nothing but addition only.
5,
5,
4,
4,
3,
3, 1.
1, 2, 7,
7, 2.
2.
That's all. Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Okay. Then you can give your names. There are 9 questions. 9 questions are there.
Sir, F लिख.
Just write in chat.
Sir, if I write it is not coming, sir. That's fine. Sir.
Sorry?
Sir, sometimes if I write in the chat, it is not coming sometimes. That's why, sir.
Okay. Don't take F, anyone. Don't take F. Ritvik, what happened? Why W?
Sir, I was typing E, mistakenly I typed W.
Okay. E and W are adjacent. Okay. Don't take F.
Sir, I took.
Who asked F? Likita.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, from where we need to start? 540.
Sir, from Vedika.
Sir,
Already
see
checked.
Vedika.
See Vedika. D. Shahu.
Sir, my name is Shahu.
Shahu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Shahu.
Shahu. That's why.
Okay. H. Abhi. D. Sorry. Is it I or L? Jashmita.
Sir, actually it is L,
Sorry.
sir.
I, sir.
Sir, it is
I only.
L, sir. I will be,
The
sir,
capital
I
I
wrote
would
I.
be that only,
It is
sir.
capital I.
Capital I,
In
yes.
keyboard, capital I will be like that only.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
sir. It's I.
Okay, Satvik also taken I, that's why. B Jaya. Even Ritvik also taken I only. A Navya. E Ritvik. E Ritvik. G Ayush. That's all. Questions are over. Yeah. Harshita, you missed now. You are not there in this exercise. All of you make.
So can you
all
give
the
one
answers
extra
ready.
question, sir?
Sorry.
So can you give one extra question for me?
Be ready for the next exercise. Okay.
Okay, sir.
We have one more exercise for 11 multiplication. All of you make ready all the answers, not only your answer. Yeah, we'll start from Navya. Ready, Navya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, see,
So
if you
first,
can, one second. If you can understand this
Yeah.
method, this will be some more easy. See, just listen.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, just in mute condition. Just see 5, 3, some 8,
Sir,
9.
531 is my
4.
question.
No need to worry. 5, 3, 8, 9, 4, some 1 into 11. All of you listen. First, we have to write 5 as it is, but the next place, is there any carry?
No, sir, it is
No
not.
carry means we'll write 5 as it is.
No,
Okay. Next, 5 plus 3 is 8, but is there any carry in the next place?
Yes, sir, it is
Yes.
11.
Carry,
Yes,
if there is any
Except for
carry,
two.
just increase one number. It will be 9. Instead of writing 8, we'll write it as 9. Okay. Next, 3 plus 8 is how much?
11.
Means end number 1, right?
11.
End number 1
Yes,
in
sir.
11. Yeah, 1. Is there
Yes,
any carry in
Yes,
the next
sir.
place?
Yes.
Yes means it will be 2.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
8 plus 9 end number?
7.
7. Is there any carry in the next
Yes.
place? Yes means it will be
Yes,
8.
sir.
9 plus 4 end number?
3.
3. Is there any carry in the
3.
next place?
No.
No carry
No.
means it is 3
No,
only.
sir.
Next, 4 plus 1?
5.
5.
5. And last digit
Five.
1.
1.
So without writing any carry, without writing extra step, directly. Understood this method?
Yes, sir.
See, nothing.
Yes, sir.
We have added digit by digit only in as we have done additions, right? See how we got this method and how we are able to do this method in this way only. See, in a normal conventional method, 5, 3, 8, 9, 4, 1 into 11 means we'll take first one, right? 1 and 1 this much time means of 5, 3, 8, 9, 4, 1 into one time it is this number, right? And leaving one position.
0.
Yeah, leaving one position here, or otherwise we can write 0 here. And again we'll take the same number 5, 3, 8, 9, 4. That's all.
1.
5. Sorry. 5, 3, 8, 9, 4. Yes, 1. So if you add these numbers, it will be the same, right?
Yes, sir. 5,
So
8, and
means it is the first and last digits are as it is. And what are these numbers? Adjacent numbers. 2 adjacent numbers, consecutive numbers.
yes, sir.
So this is the behind logic for this shortcut. For this shortcut, this is the behind approach. So we are making conventional method. Even by taking that only, we are making it as a shortcut. Okay. You can proceed with carry or you may not proceed with carry. It is up to you. Start, Navya.
Yes, sir. So first we write 4, sir.
Okay.
And then 4 plus 2 is 6.
Okay.
So we write 6. And then 2 plus 3 is 5. So we write 5 and then we write 3. Yeah, and then we write 3 as it is. That is
There
the
are no carries, right? Easy. 4, 6, 5, 3.
Yeah.
That's all. Right. Jaya. I think for every all the questions are without any carry. I think.
No, sir, there are
Some questions have carry, sir. If
Where
the B
is
question,
carry
there is
there?
carry. Sir.
Where it is?
Sir, wherever there are
Sir,
numbers
question
less
there
than
is a
5
carry.
after each other, there is no carry.
Yeah, here I think for up to question number I, there are no carries in this exercise.
Yes, sir. No carries.
Yes. Yeah, Jaya.
Sir,
Proceed.
my name is Zoya.
Sorry?
Zoya.
Zoya.
Yes, sir.
What I am speaking? What I am telling? Jaya.
Yes, sir.
Is it not same? Both are same, not same. Joya.
Sir, there is
Joya.
Mukta below the.
Okay, okay. I'll pronounce as your name only. Joya, right?
Oh, sir, it's from Z. So Zoya.
Zoya. Zoya.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we'll write 6 as it is.
Okay.
And 6 plus 3 is 9.
Okay.
And again 6 plus 3 is 9.
Okay.
And we'll write 6 as it is.
6 as it is. Correct. Vedika.
Yes, sir. So here the first digit is 5. We will write 5 as it is. And then
Okay.
5 plus 3 is 8. And then
Okay.
3 plus 4 is 7. And then
Okay.
again the last digit is 4 itself.
Okay. Good. Shahu.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 5 we will write as it is. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. And 6 as it is.
Very good. Ritvik.
So we need to write 7 as it is. Then 7 plus 0 would be 7. And 0 plus 6 would be 6. And 6 as it is.
Very good. Correct. Likhita.
Yes, first 2
Okay.
and 2 plus 6 is 8.
Okay.
Sorry, writing. Okay.
6
And
plus 0.
6 plus 0 is 6. And
Okay. At the end again.
6, normal 6.
0
And
as it is.
last
Sir, one more thing which we can conclude. If the numbers are like 3 digit and the middle digit is 0, then we can multiply the starting digit by 11 and the end digit by 11 and skip the 0.
Yeah, we have that exercise also.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have that exercise also. No need.
Sir, any method is fine, sir.
Okay, Likita is over. Ayush. After a long time, Ayush is given name. Ayush.
Sir, can I tell it?
Sir,
Wait,
I
wait.
didn't get a chance, sir. If he doesn't,
Wait.
then can I?
Abhi.
Sir, he's not in the meet on.
Yes, sir. Should I tell?
Sir, can I tell?
Next, we'll proceed with the next. Just wait till the end. Later we'll see.
Okay, sir.
Abhinav or Abhi? Is it? Who is this?
Abhinav, sir.
Abhinav. Okay, proceed.
Sir, we'll write 1 as it is.
Okay.
1 plus 3 is 4.
Okay.
3 plus 5 is 8.
Okay.
And 5 as it is.
5 as it is. Very good. Jashmita.
Yes, sir. 5 will write as it is.
Okay.
5 plus 3 is 8.
Okay.
3 plus 1 is 4.
Okay.
And 1 again will write as it is.
Yeah. So here in this question H, it is 135. In your question, it is 531. And your answers are reversed. 1485. It is 5841.
Sir, can I tell G bit?
Sir,
Okay,
can I tell
Harshita.
Jeevan?
Harshita.
Yes,
Harshita.
Sir, Satvik.
Satvik will take one next exercise. Okay. Harshita,
So
explain.
we'll write 4 as it is.
Okay.
And 4 plus 4 is equals to 8.
Okay.
And again 4 plus 4 is equals to 8 and the end digit is 4. So 4884.
Okay. So now Ayush came. Yeah. Give your names.
Sir, I already
This
wrote
is
my
the-
names and numbers, sir, and then I just clicked enter.
Okay. From where it is 552.
Sir, F Satvik.
No,
Not
not
talking.
No, C Vedika.
C
From C
Vedika.
Vedika. Yes. Vinod saved some time in writing his name. And only one question,
Sir,
that is
B,
B.
it is me, Shahu. I wrote sir.
Shahu.
Sir, I typed as F Satvik, but Satvik took before me. Okay.
Yes, yes. Make all the answers ready.
Done, sir, while talking.
Okay. If you want to go with carries, I'll write outside first. No need, sir. I'll tell the answer directly. You can proceed. You'll deal with carries or without carry?
So without carry, we can do smart work.
Sir?
Shreyasi.
Sir, can I do it like at the last or maybe at the second last?
Sorry?
Sir, I'll do it at the second last or maybe at the last.
Second digit and third digit?
No, sir. I'm telling that I can do it at the last or at the second last, but not
Sir,
like
means
right now.
she does not want to do it now.
Okay.
Her
Proceed.
question.
Proceed. Tell me. Shreyasi.
Sir, then may I do?
So Shreyas is telling that she
You
will
can
do it.
start it, sir.
Okay, Shreyasi. Yeah. Meanwhile, we'll do the remaining questions. Shahu.
Yes, sir. Sir, I will tell directly.
Okay, tell.
So 6 we will write in the starting.
Okay.
Then 6 plus 2 it is 6 plus 2 it is 8. But the next one is carry, so we will write 9.
Okay.
And 9 plus 2 it is 11. We will
Yeah,
write
from
1.
there onwards, it is better to take only end number, right?
Yes, sir. So 9 plus 2 it is 11. We'll write 1. And
One
then
only.
9 as it is.
Finally, 9 as it is. Very good. Correct. In a single step, we got the answer. Even the carries are there. Correct. Vedika.
Yes, sir. So we'll write first digit as 9 because 8 plus 8 is 16 and then carry 1. So 9.
Yeah. Yes.
9 and then again 8 plus 8 is 16. So again we'll get carry 1. So 9,
Yeah.
7.
Yeah, actually 8 plus 8 is end number 6 because there is a carry in the next place. We'll write 7.
Yes, sir. Then we will get 8 plus 8 is 16. So we'll write 6 as it is. And then the
End
last
number 6.
digit
Okay.
8.
Yeah, last number 8. So first number may change, but last number will never change, right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Yeah, in every question, last number will never change. First number may change by adding a carry. Yes. Then Abhinav.
1 minute, sir. I'm not ready.
Okay. Ritvik.
Sir, we need to write 3 as it is, but next one is a carry combination, so we need to write 4.
Okay.
Then, sir, 9 plus 3 would be 12. Sorry, sir, 3 plus 9 would be 12, but next one is again a carry combination, so 3.
Okay, very good.
Then 9 plus 3 would be 12. So we need to write 2 and 3 as it is. 4, 3, 2, 3.
Then 3. Very good. Excellent. Satvik.
Yes, sir. We should write 9 as it is.
Okay.
So no, means next one is a carry combination. So we need to write 1, 0, 10.
10. Right. Very good.
After that, 9 plus 3 is 12, sir. So means 2 we should write.
N number 2. But there is a carry in the next place.
Yes, sir, means 3.
Yeah, it will be 3.
And again,
Then,
3 plus 9 is 12. N number is 2. So 2 we should write.
2 only. Okay.
And at the last, we should write 9 as it is. That is it.
Very good. Very good. Correct. Who is ready? Between Shreyasi and Abhinav.
Me, sir.
Who?
Shreyasi.
Okay, proceed.
Yes, sir. So as the next one is a carry combination from 3, 8, 4. The 8 is a carry combination, so we write 3 as 4. And then.
Sir, can you tell the borrowing again?
Abhi, just wait. Shreyasi, proceed.
Yes, sir.
3 plus 8
So
N number.
8 plus 3 is 11. So 1
N number
will not
1.
be the carry. 1 will not be the number. So
It is
as
the
next
carry
one
in
is
the
a
next
carry over. Yes, sir. So it will be 2.
Okay, very good.
Yes,
Then
and then 8 plus 4 is 12.
N number is
8 plus 4 is 12. So the end number is 2.
Okay. And lastly?
And lastly 4 as it is.
Very good. Correct. Abhi, now tell me, what is your doubt?
Sir,
Abhinav.
can you tell it again?
Sir, can
Which
I
one?
tell D1?
The borrowing one.
There is no borrow. Why are you thinking about borrow? We are
sir,
not doing any
carry.
subtractions.
Carry.
Yeah, carry. See how to do with carry without writing anything about carry.
Sir, can I tell D1?
No. It is Abhinav's question. Just wait, all of you. 9, 7, 5, 3, then 4, 9 into 11. Not only Abhinav, all of you listen carefully. So actually we need to write 9 because next place is carry. That's why I am writing 10. Next, 9 plus 7 end number 6. Because there is a carry in the next place, I am writing 7. Got it, Abhinav? Abhinav?
Sir, why did you write 7?
Yeah, actually we need to write how much number? Oh, okay.
No, sir.
So you can.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
not
okay.
directly, you can say one more time.
7 only. That's the right answer. See, just why it is 7, I'm explaining that again. Actually, first we need to write 9 only, but because the next place is carry. Next place means 9 plus 7 is carry, having carry. That's why I'm writing 10. Next, 9 plus 7 is how much?
16.
16.
16 means you can tell just end number, that is enough. 9 plus 7 end number?
6.
6 only. Means here we need to write 6 actually, but by seeing the next place, 7 plus 5 is having a carry or not? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
That's why I'm writing 7 instead of 6. Okay. Are you there, Abhinav?
Sir, I guess he's talking on mute, sir. Maybe he can't unmute.
Don't unmute yourself. Sorry, don't mute yourself. Just wait and unmute only. Next, 7 plus 5 is how much? End number?
12.
2.
2, sir.
2, right? 2. Is there any carry in the next place?
No, sir. No, sir.
No means we'll write 2 as it is. Next, 5 plus 3 is how much?
8.
8. Is there any carry in the next place?
Yes, sir.
No, 3 plus 4, no
sir.
carry.
No, sir. Yes, sir.
No
No,
means
no.
we'll write 8 as it is only. Next, 3 plus 4, how much?
7.
7. Is there any carry in the next place?
Yes, sir.
Yes, there is a carry means we'll write 7 as 8.
8.
Next, 4 plus 9 end number
3.
3 and last digit 9.
9.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Now your solution.
Sir, so we have to write 5 as it is.
Okay. 5 as it is, or we need to increase 1.
Sorry, sir. We have to increase.
Why?
Sir, since it's a carry combination.
Yeah, because the next place is carry. That's why we'll write 5 as 6. Next, 5 plus 5 end number.
Sir, again it's a carry combination, so 1.
Yes, very good. 1, right. Next, 5 plus 5 end number.
Sir, 1 again.
No. Why 1? Just tell this. 5 plus 5 is how much? 0. End number
10,
is 0.
sir. 0.
Because there is no next. There is no carry in the next place because we need to write only 5. That's why I'll write 0 only.
0, 5.
Sir, and 5 again.
Lastly, 5. Okay. If you have any problem with this method, you can proceed with the normal method only. 5 into 11 is first 5 as it is 5. 5 plus 5 10 1 0. 5 plus 5 10 1 0. Again 5. So it will be 6105. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Abhi? Yeah. Shall we stop here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we have multiplication by 111 and multiplication by 4 ones and 2 series multiplication also and 9 series multiplication also. In the next class, we'll see all those things.
Sir, 9 series multiplication, our maths ma'am also told us.
So
Yeah,
now can you hear me?
Yeah, now I'm hearing you. Tell me.
Sir, but now after the class.
Yes.
What are you saying? Your voice is breaking, sir.
Okay, Akash, we'll meet in the next class.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir. Bye, everyone.
Bye. Stop writing in chat. Why are you fighting in chat box?